Hello and welcome everybody to another online class. This is your teacher, Abdullah Benijam. Today's class will not be that much hard, so hope you all doing great. Please study and work hard on yourselves. So, today we will be starting first with the question number 4, the fourth question in our students book page number 93. The question says, find the words in the text and circle the correct meaning. So here we have words and we are going to choose between A and B to circle the correct meaning. The first word is grow, which means take out or create a picture. The correct answer is take out. A. Take out. Available. A. Obtainable. B. Vacant. A. Obtainable. Ability. A. Talent. B. Intelligence. A. Talent. Mimic. A. Sound like. B. Copy. B. Copy. Efficient. Well organized. B. Not wasting fuel. The answer is A. Well organized. 6. Firmly. A. Securely. B. Determinedly. The answer is B. Determinedly. 7. Intriguing. Planning. B. Fascinating. The answer is B. Fascinating. So the answers for the fourth question, page number 93, are A, 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 B, A, B, B. Take out, obtainable, talent, copy, well organized, determinedly, fascinating. So this is about the fourth question. Now we will be going to our new grammar and it is an easy one. So please focus. It won't take from you more than 10 minutes of listening carefully. So now we have the clauses of purpose. The usage. We use clauses of purpose to explain the reason why someone does something or why something happens. So we use the clauses of purpose to show the purpose of something, to explain the purpose of something or the reason why something happened or why someone does something. So, for example, for the same sentence above, I will change some words in order to use clauses of purpose in the same sentence. So I can say, we use clauses of purpose in order to, in order to explain the reason why someone does something or why something happens. So this is the same sentence that I gave you at the beginning, but used in order to instead of to. So this is a clause of purpose I could use in order to give you the reason why we do something or the purpose why we do something. So now we have more than clauses of purpose and more than one use for them. Okay, more than one clause of purpose and more than one use. So the first clause that we have here is in order to, and after in order to always comes a verb 1 or a bare infinitive verb. Remember the bare infinitive, which is to plus verb 1, and since we have here in order to and then followed by verb 1, it becomes a bare infinitive. I study in order to become Become here is a verb 1. Came after to, so it became a bare infinitive. I study in order to become successful in the future. So why do we study, or why do I study? In order to become successful in the future. The next one, which is so as to. It also gives the reason behind doing something or having something. For example here, my PC is designed so as to be secure. So as to be secure. And the verb here is be. Okay? And after so as to comes a bare verb. And because it's just verb 1 and the word that was before it was to, so it becomes an infinitive verb. The next clause is so that plus subject plus verb. So here we notice that after so that we have to have subject first, then a verb. And here the verb is not verb 1 all the time. It might be verb 1 or verb 2 or whatever type of verb. Okay? So, I slept early so that I wake up early. So here, after so that, we had the subject I, then a verb 1, wake up. Okay? I slept early so that I wake up early. So why did I sleep early? Or what is the reason for me to sleep early? So that I wake up early. The next clause is in case plus subject plus verb. It is similar to so that. In case here, to give a reason or the possibility of something to happen. Okay, so for example, we say, I brought an extra pen in case you forgot yours. So after in case comes a subject and a verb, and here I chose to put a verb too. You can put any other type of verb here after in case plus subject plus the verb. There is no condition to put verb 1. You might put verb 2 sometimes, so it's okay. I brought an extra pen in case you forgot yours. The fifth clause is for plus noun. So after for always comes a noun. Okay? I need to study for the exam. The exam is a noun. Okay? Sometimes the question might be the opposite way around. I might omit the clause of purpose and leave what comes after it. You have to focus on the thing that comes after the verb of the clause of purpose in order to choose the accurate clause of purpose. So let's go to some questions related to clauses of purpose. So the question says, choose the correct answer for each of the following. So here we have a group of uh, clauses of purpose, and we need to choose one between two of them for each of the sentences. Okay, so the first sentence says, the lab was closed for repairs. And the reason for using for instead of in case is that after for came a noun, repair. And if there was a noun after the clause of purpose, we choose for as the accurate clause of purpose. The second sentence says, they hired a new researcher to do the job. And the reason of choosing to is that we have a bare verb, which is a verb infinitive. Well, it will become a verb infinitive after using to. So we choose to instead of for. The third sentence says, he wants a smartphone so that he can listen to music on the bus. The reason why we chose so that is because after the clause of purpose came a subject and a verb. Okay? So we chose so that. The fourth question, ring the technician in case anything goes wrong. So the reason why we chose in case is that a subject and a verb came after it. The subject was anything and the verb was goes. And it gives possibility if something happens. So we choose in case, which we can say in Arabic it means في حال. في حال. Next, we have question 5. It says, read the manual in order to find out how to use the digital camera. The reason why we chose in order to was after it became a verb in addition to the to that we have here, it becomes a bare infinitive. Let's do some trials so as to test the car's performance. The reason why we chose so as to was because a verb came after it, which is test, so it becomes a bare infinitive because of to here, same as the sentence above it. So these are the questions that we have in our worksheet. Next, we are going to answer questions number 6 and 8. Question 5 is the same as our worksheet. So, question 6 says, write the correct words. Here we have pictures and we have to write the words that have the meaning of these pictures. Okay, so Velcro. Velcro is what we can find on shoes sometimes, and other times on our jackets. It's in picture number A. Velcro is A. B. Pin. Pin. It's a code. We say pin code. So B is pin. C is memory stick. Memory stick. Or sometimes we call it flash memory. Flash memory or memory stick. D is cash point. Cash point. Sometimes we call cash points ATM as well. ATM means cash point. E are cables. Cable. Or sometimes we call them wires. Cables or wires. F is bank card. Bank card. It's the card that we use for the ATM. So A is Velcro, B is pin, C memory stick, D cash point, E cable, F bank card. Next, we are going for prepositions. Complete the sentences with as or like. To make it easy for you, we use as for behavior, when someone behaves like something, while we use like to show appearance when we are talking about appearance. we use like. When we are talking about behavior, we use as. Kim works as a computer analyst. They built a device shaped like a fly. The personal cash point looks like an ordinary cash point. All of her colleagues respect Jan as a scientist. Andrew dressed up like a robot. Marius is only the IT manager, but he acts as it's his company. So the answers are as, like, like, as, like, as. And as we said before, we use as in order to show behavior, while we use like in order to show appearance. So that's all for today's lesson. Hope you understood it well. Please study hard. It's not Today's grammar was not that much hard, so hope you like it all. Good luck.